Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'll be reviewing another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Pitaka MagEZ Case 5 for your beautiful Z Fold 6. I need to give a shout out to Pitaka for sending this case out to me for a review. And they also sent me this little holder for the case also. It says the MagEZ Grip 2. Bam. So I'm gonna check that one out too. If you don't know who Pitaka is, I don't know where you've been hiding at, but they make some of the minimalist cases out there for all types of phones. They do make them out of aramid fiber, so you can see right there. Bam. And it comes with MagSafe for your Z Fold 6. They have some for the S24 Ultra that I reviewed. They make cases for almost every phone out there, so check them out. I'll have the links in the description if you want to pick it up. Nice packaging from them. You can pause that and read that if you like to. It says MagSafe compatible, slim profile, and it says pulled open. So again, this is a very minimalistic case. But it has MagSafe in there. It looks like it has a couple little strips there to hold the case on. But you love that carbon fiber look. And then this just gives you instructions on how to take the case off and how to install it. But we ain't worried about that. We're just gonna look at the case. We'll check out how to install it right here. So let's take off the little adhesive strips here. Bam. So they don't make the front either, which is not a big deal. This is going to, so the first thing I'm going to say, this is going to protect your case from getting, protect your phone from getting scratches. You're not going to have to worry about scratching up your phone. Now, if you drop it and it lands on the front, yeah, you're out of luck. But camera protection, you do get camera protection there. The power button is easy. Volume rockers are nice and easy to press, easy to get to. Everything at the bottom lines up. You have nice cutouts there. Again, you don't get any hinge protection on this case. But that's how it looks when you open it up. Pitaka logo there. Everything lines up at the top. And I don't even have these on there good either. Cut out for the flash there. So again, this is like your everyday case around the house. If you're not prone to dropping your phone and you just want to protect a little bit of your back in there, you can. Man, let's check out this other cool holder. You have your ring holder here. Oh, okay. That's definitely heavy duty. Bam. I wonder, can you use it as a kickstand? Probably like this, you can. Maybe. Maybe not. But I do like it. I mean, it's solid. If you want a ring holder, that magnet is strong on there. Now, I will have the links in the description. Oh man, I can't get that off. I'll have the links in the description for both of them. How strong is the magnet though, really? Oh, you heard that? Yeah. It pulls the wire off, so it's definitely strong. I know. Can you use the pin while you're charging it or using the, let's see. So, I'm using the pin good. I don't see any problem using the pin. Simple, I don't know. Just take a note. I don't want to see what's next. So you can write, no problem. Let's check out the little tool here. While I'm holding that, can you use it? And yes, you can use your pen while you use their MagSafe or charging. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely get it from Amazon or their website. If you want to pick up this nice little tool, you can definitely do so too. That will be in the description also. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.